Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you watched a video where someone doing awesome tricks with the pen and now want to learn too, you're in the right place. In this video I will show you how to do 4 basic tricks in pen spinning: Sonic, Thumb Around, Charge and Fingerpass. It is necessary to begin with these tricks because they are basic and will be useful for you in your next steps. The first trick is called Thumb Around. It looks like this. You need to rotate your pen around your thumb. I will play it in slow motion a couple of times. So the starting position looks like this. Put your pen on the index finger, then on the middle finger. Most of weight should be on this side. Your fingers should be relaxed, don't strain them. What you need to do is push your pen with your middle finger. This movement looks like flick. But you shouldn't make a click sound, just slightly press your thumb against your middle finger. If you push it too strong, your pen will fly away. You need to understand and feel the right force to apply. Practice for some time and you will understand. So you push it, and at the same time you should stretch out your index finger to prevent your pen from hitting the index finger. Then the pen makes the full turn around your thumb, and you catch it between your index finger and thumb. The most important thing, don't move your thumb as you push. Just move your middle finger to push. If you can't do the thumb around, there is 99% chance that you are not holding your thumb still. Don't forget about it. Focus on keeping your thumb still as you push. All you need to do is practice. I think in 1 or 2 days you will master this trick. Some of you will get it sooner, some later, just keep practicing. Sonic looks like this. The starting position looks like this. You must take your pen between ring and middle fingers and place your pen tip between index and thumb. Next you need to build up a bit of pressure between middle and ring fingers, so when you will press your pen it should fly out. Basic movement for Sonic: you need to do a lock with your ring and index fingers, also bend your middle finger. Your pen should make a circle movement and stop between index and middle fingers. You should be able to connect your index and middle fingers. If you can't, stretch your fingers. There is nothing complicated. So, you build up a bit of pressure between middle and ring fingers. Your pen flies out. The main thing is that when your pen makes a half turn, you must bend your middle finger and connect your index and ring fingers, so your pen will be locked by them. Pen goes like this and does second half turn and stops at slot between index and middle fingers. At this moment the main thing is to catch your pen. To understand this trick you will need like 10 minutes, but to learn it 2-3 days, maybe a week of hard training. That's all. The next trick, Charge. This is what the charge looks like. Hold the pen in the 2-3 finger slot. That's the middle and the ring. Pen spinning notation. The thumb is T, index finger is 1, middle finger is 2, ring finger is 3, and then pinky is 4. So hold in the 2-3 finger slot. Hold it with slightly more of the weight of the pen closer to you. It just helps with a little bit of weight distribution when you do the trick. It gives the pen a little bit of momentum that helps doing the trick continuously or just doing the trick in general. The starting position is right about here. Now, if you are right-handed like I am, then you are going to go in a clockwise motion. Charge is when the pen goes all the way around and then you reach the same starting position. So hold the pen here, and then to get the pen to spin you want to take your thumb. You do this, basically you release the thumb, and you do that, you want to straighten out these fingers. After that comes the hard part, which will take you a lot of time. The point is that you have to rotate 1/4 of the circle due to the movement of the ring and middle fingers. You start in this position, release your thumb and straighten your fingers. This will be 3/4 of the circle. To twist the rest, you kind of make the ring finger forward and catch it with your thumb. Try doing one full turn this way. In order to do endlessly, you need to learn charge without using your thumb. To start a new charge without using your thumb, you move your middle finger forward. It will take you a long time to master these movements with the ring and middle fingers. In short, practice doing it many times with your thumb first, and then try to twist it with your middle finger. Charge is a simple trick to understand, but it will take you a lot of time to master it. Next trick, Fingerpass. Actually, it isn't a trick, it is a little combination consisting of passes. Pass is when you pass your pen between your fingers, like this. Fingerpass getting started from 1-2 slot to 2-3 slot, next from 2-3 to 3-4, from 3-4 it comes back to 2-3 through the outside of ring finger, and similarly from 2-3 to 1-2. So you can do it continuously. There is no special advice here, you just need to practice a lot. Don't try to master it so hardly. Your main task is to learn to move the pen from one slot to another. Pro tip: to do this smoothly and quickly, bend your fingers a little. That's all. Leave your like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.